seen on the screen, here there is a sheet. That means here it is highlighted as sheet 1, and here you can see here employee number, employee name, salary, date of birth. I have entered 6 datas in the sheet, and now you can see already you have learned how to move the datas inside this one to center or left or this one. So now I will make it, for making it center, click on this center and then make it bold, and for this also the whole thing we will make it center. Now today I will discuss a new thing, that is, here you can see in the salary column I have given 56,900.5. it is shown as 0.5, but I entered the value as 56900.50, but 0 is discarded and only the 5 is coming. So now what to do for salary? That means it is rupees in Indian currency, it is rupees. So we will select this one, and here you see this one, that is the number format. Here you can choose the format for your cell. So this is our cell, and from here we will choose the format, what type of data we are entering here. So click on this one, and then here you will see general. It is by default it will be displayed as general, so that is why it is considered as a normal number whatever I have entered in the salary column. So number, I can give it number, and as it is a currency, so we will select it as currency. So by default it is coming as dollar. So here I have entered the value and I have selected the currency, here accounting currency as the rupee, and then we will enter the value accordingly. It will come 67,000.00. See, by default it was shown in this way. So for all the data I will change this one. You find out where this rupee symbol is coming for all the Malayalam, Manipur or Odia, anything you can select, Hindi. So after that click on OK. So it will change to the symbol rupee. Now automatically whatever I enter, that will be changed to rupee. So I have entered all the 6 data, and here the date of birth of the employee, it is given in the format 20/01/1995. So here you can see when I click on this, that means here the highlighted cell, and here you can see that general number format is selected as general. So it will be, again we will change it to a particular format. So it is of date type. So I will short date is selected. So the format is date, then DD, MM and YYYY. So now it will be changed to this format. When this Dr. plus sign comes, you can adjust the cell position, cell size, and better you select all the cells and put it as date type. So this will be considered as date type. Here you see, you have seen I have entered this value, I have changed the value 4 to 04, but still it is coming as 4 only in the date format. Now you will learn how to copy and paste. And paste is simple, but some options are there, that means to paste special. So for this I am going to highlight this portion. You know how to highlight this. From the border you make it all border, so it will be looking more clear. And after that, if just we select the table and then Ctrl C for copy it, and then anywhere of the table sheet, if we Ctrl V, pressing Ctrl V, it will come here. Now you can see salary is coming in this way. So it needs a specific amount of space. So make it in this way and you will get the original data. Now one more thing I will show you. Suppose here it is, if I change it salary to basic salary, and if incentive, I make one more column, incentive. Here I am writing incentive. Each employee is getting 10,000 in incentive for the current year. Then for this 10,000 value is same for all the employees. So only we need to copy it and then we paste it by just pressing the Ctrl V statement and make enter this one also in the border. So it is the new one, make it as bold, and one more statement, one more column I will add here, that is total salary, or you can make it net salary. So net salary, yesterday you have learned this is the formula bar. In the formula bar we will put one equal sign and then we will click on here. We will select the sum option and number will come. Click on this red arrow and it will be F2, that is formula argument, function argument will be D1, and here you see previously it was with the rupee sign, but as we are going to calculate the net pay by adding the basic salary and incentive, so I have removed the character that is preceded with this 23,000 formula and all the values. So now for calculation we will use the formula as you have learned in my previous video. Give the equal sign, click on this one and sum, and then you will get this function argument. You will be asked to give the function argument. In the number one you can give this cell, select this one, that is the D1 cell, and press the Control key and press also, click on this incentive, that is F1. So here you can see D2, F2 is appearing on the screen, and again click on this small icon with the red arrow sign. Then here in the number one bar you will see D2, F2. That means D2 is the cell address. Here the column name is D and the row number is 2, so it is coming D2, and for the incentive it is coming this one. Then click on OK and you will get here 33,456 is the net salary for the employee 1. So here again I will make it in the bold and this one, and here as the whole cells in this column will be replaced with the sum of this basic salary and incentive, so we will copy it. That means we have copied the formula and we will, using the Ctrl V option, we will paste it and automatically the value will come. So now we will make this one and make it the whole border, all borders, so it will come like this. Now I have deleted this one, all the values have gone. Then I am selecting the whole values and right click on and copy it, and anywhere on the cell Ctrl V, it will come here. For today I have completed my class. Next video I will again bring some new topics, easy topics, and don't forget to subscribe my channel to get notified with my new upload. Thank you.